КП это Дмитрий 9. Никаких признаков противника. Обыскиваю местность. Прием.
Это КП, понял. Не позволяйте им застать вас врасплох. Будьте начеку. Конец связи.
Перегруппироваться! Двигайтесь! Нужно прикрытие! Мы его выследим! Двигайтесь! Прошу поддержку!
КП, это Дмитрий 4. У нас большие потери. Нужен резерв, немедленно. Прием.
Это КП, понял. Внимание всем подразделениям. Отправить резервы на помощь. Повторяю, отправить помощь. Конец связи.
The target should be somewhere in that area.
Тебя поймал!
You've entered a building. Always keep an escape route in mind when you head indoors. If you get surrounded, you'll have nowhere to run.
КП РБ-1. Потерял противника. Ищу последней точки соприкосновения. Прием.
Это КП, понял. Обследуйте сектор. Но осторожно. Конец связи.
Помоги мне!
There. That's the target.
Это протез. Я его сделал. Это мой шедевр. Обычные протезы — это скучно. Я специалист по бионике.
Great. If there's nothing in the way overhead, you should be able to fold him.
Можно сказать, это не протез.
Target extraction
Mission
confirmed.
info has been
Your objective's
updated.
complete. Exfiltrate out of the hot zone by chopper or on land.
Начинаю бой. Прием.
СКП. This is B-Quad. Arriving shortly at LZ. This is B-Quad. On station at LZ. Scanning out. Departing.
Development project has been added.
Mission complete. I know we can do better next time. The engineer we rescued has been extremely cooperative. The guys on the R&D team are glad to have him aboard. Thing is, his specialty isn't mechanics, but something called bionics, engineering based on biology. He's already submitted a proposal for modifying your prosthetic arm. If you're interested, go ahead and give the development order. How you feeling, boss? Getting used to being in the field again? Having choppers and a horse at your disposal is indispensable for operating in the wilds of Afghanistan. I've gone ahead and arranged for you to be able to develop and customize weaponry for support choppers. And you can also develop new equipment for D-Horse if you like. Use your iDroid to start development as needed. Prolonged time in the field is bad for the body and mind. I think it's time you took a break. Do it for me. Come back to Mother Base ASAP.
Come back!
Mix.
Here's the dog you brought back. Bit of a troublemaker. Not sure about the breed, though.
He'll get bigger?
Uh-huh. Like this. You know, I can look after him. He's still a pup, so he doesn't listen. I have a feeling someday he'll be useful. I suspect you discovered a real diamond in the rough. With a little polish, I'd say we got a true diamond dog on our hands.
DD, right? Hostile at raising hounds. Fine.
Come on, Dee Dee.